Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your headphones Sony. So firstly, let's move to the left ear cup, and right here we have power button and ANC button. With the power button you can turn on and turn off your headphones by press and hold on it for at least 2 seconds. So you just press and hold, and I'm now turn off these headphones the same way to turn on it by press and hold. But also with this power button we can enter to pairing mode. To enter pairing mode, your headphones should be turned off, and then you also press and hold power button, but for at least 6 seconds, until this LED light start flashing red and blue. And right here, as you can see, I just entered to pairing mode. Next one, we have ANC button, and with it you can enable or disable active noise cancellation. You just press on it one time. Now I turn off it because there is that light blinking, and if I press again I will turn on it. Next we have buttons on the right ear cup, and let me play some sound. So right here we have volume control buttons. This button with a plus is to volume up your music. You just press on this button or press and hold, and as you can see I increase the volume. To lower the volume we have a minus button. So again, just press on it or press and hold, and as you can see at this widget I lower the volume. Next we have multifunctional button. So if you, this is a slider and also a button. If you press on it one time, you will play or pause the song. So I press on it, and as you can see I just pause it, press again, and I play song. If you move the slider to the right, you will play next track. Or if you move it up, because you will use these headphones in this position, so you just slide up, and I just play next track. Now slide down and I play previous track. Also, when someone calls to you, you can answer the call by pressing one time at this multifunctional button. And then you can finish the call by also press one time at this multifunctional button. Also, with these controls we can perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to turn off your headphones, and after that press and hold at the same time power button and multifunctional button right here for at least 7 seconds. Then this indicator flashed 4 times, and after that you need to reconnect your headphones with the phone. If you don't know how to do this, at this channel we have video about it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!